Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Civic door handle. Start by gathering tools: trim panel tool, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and replacement handle. Remove the interior panel carefully to expose the linkage. Inspect the latch, rods, and clips for damage and wear. Replace any broken clips or the handle assembly. Reassemble the panel, test the latch from inside and outside, and adjust the linkage until operation is smooth and reliable. In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda Civic door handle. Begin by removing the door switch trim and window crank if present, then unclip the door panel. Keep screws and clips in a labeled container to avoid loss. Carefully disconnect electrical connectors before fully removing the panel. With the panel off, release the plastic vapor barrier slowly to maintain seal integrity. This gives clear access to the handle linkage and latch for inspection and repair. In this video, I will review how to fix Honda Civic door handle. Quick recommendation: if you like concise manuals, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair guides easy with glare-free pages and long battery life. It fits in a glove box and helps you follow step-by-step instructions on the go. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help fix Honda Civic door handle. Check for bent rods, worn clips, or a cracked handle and replace the faulty parts. Use needle nose pliers to reconnect rod clips securely, ensuring the small retaining tabs face correctly. Test the handle operation before sealing the vapor barrier. Reattach the door panel, reconnect switches, and torque screws snugly. Finish by operating the door several times to confirm smooth opening and secure locking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.